I am everyone's voice matters.
Growing up stuttering was one of the hardest things I ever had to deal with. My mom had 5 kids and I wondered why it had to be me. As years pass, I have learned to overcome my stuttering issues. And as I look in my grandson's face, I see that he stutters too. I am not alone in this fight, and there's plenty more out there just like me. So I stand now, all those years, I wonder why I stuttered. Now I have my reason. And everyone voice matters is my reason. We are everyone voice matters. I am everyone voice matters.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Everyone Voice Matters. I'm the chef, one of the local radio personalities here in this area, and I'm excited to be here. But as I often say, I'm not the superstar. This lady is. Hello, Sharika.
Hello, chef.
You're the superstar.
No, I'm not. No, you the superstar.
Oh boy.
I always say, no, you the superstar.
Listen, I gotta pause and say congratulations. Oh, by the way, Herbie's birthday.
Yes, yeah. My baby turned 9 years old.
Oh my God. Did he have a good time?
He had a great time. He was so excited to see everybody was telling him happy birthday, and y'all, thank you. He was very excited to see them.
Let me drop this nugget on you. November the 6th is mine, so you repeat that. Okay?
Of course.
Now, you repeat the same thing over again. It's okay.
I will, because you the boss.
No. Listen, we're so excited. Thank y'all for joining us. Everyone Voice Matters, the Lil Herbie series. Mm-hmm. Girl, you're all over the place. I can't keep up with you. You're all over the place. Atlanta, Georgia. Mm-hmm. Orangeburg. Yes. You were just at South Carolina State College.
Yes, it was.
Can I get a ride? Can I?
Come on, man. Come on.
Listen, I gotta say this though. I must say this. Kudos to you and your staff. You're doing a fantastic job educating people about Everyone Voice Matters, the Lil Herbie series. I gotta say that you was just at a church the other day.
Joshua Baptist.
Right here in Charleston.
Yeah, we had over 43 kids that was there.
Oh my God! Now later on, are they going to be able to see a little snippet of that?
Yeah, they're going to see a little piece of it.
Wow! Oh my God! You know, I love what you're doing.
Thank you.
You're taking the message. It's from your heart, from your brains, and you're putting it in place where people who needs it can feel like it's reachable.
Yes.
Tell me, are people welcome to call in and say, you know, email and say, would you come and talk to my...
Yes. We take all calls, all invitations. We actually trying to get into the churches, the schools, anything that actually have to deal with the kids, helping them cope with different situations. We take all invitations. We welcome all invitations.
Wow. How can they get in contact if they would like to have you come and speak to their youth group?
They can actually go on our website and send us a message, and also they can email us at everyonevoicematters@gmail.com, and they can always reach us on social media. We have Facebook, Everyone Voice Matters. We have Facebook, Lil Herbie series, Instagram. You know, so Instagram, YouTube as well. The YouTube channel, right? They can leave us a message on there as well. So we're very easy.
Speaking of the YouTube channel, somebody told me, I'm not gonna call any names, you're launching something wonderful. Something great is gonna follow this conversation.
Yeah, it is.
You got a little surprise for us on today. Wow, that is phenomenal. When we get back, we're gonna talk some more. Once again, Everyone Voice Matters. Stay tuned.
I am everyone's voice matters.
I myself sitting out there the same way y'all are, but at least someone be able to get out. I was the kid in the back that would never want to get out. Would never want nobody to look at me when I'm talking. Would always tell my sister, the one of y'all come and speak for me. Because for one, I was afraid that, well, I wasn't afraid because kids used to do it. I used to see kids laugh and at least turn their head. But I really didn't get bullied because my sister them was always protecting me. So I was like, okay, y'all, so they didn't let them do that. But let me tell y'all something. Having a stuttering issue with it is very hard. Not just stuttering, any type of issue. Some kids stutter, some kids are obese, some kids like they don't learn as quick as others, but still at the end of the day, it don't matter what you go through, your voice still matters. So I've been wanting to form a nonprofit for stuttering, but I want everybody to say everyone voice matters. Hold up, Mr. Carson. He said he started before. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Everyone's voice matters.
Thank y'all.
All righty, we're back. Everyone's voice matters. Oh, let me get this part in. I'm Lil Herbie, and my voice. I love saying that. I just love saying that because I found out from you. There's a Lil Herbie in me too. I'm a big guy, but there's a Lil Herbie there somewhere. So hey, Lil Herbie, I'll call him up later on. Maybe that's why I like eating 2 hamburgers. Me and Lil Herbie. But anyway, we're excited about it. Listen, it's a fun time, and you know what? I've learned this from your program. Laughter is good.
It's great. I mean, it's good for the soul. Great for the soul.
I found that out. I was watching you at Joshua. I went back and looked at the Segway, and you had those kids laughing and participating. I mean, it was really exciting. How did you feel?
You know what? It was exciting for them, but it was more exciting for me. Because, you know, I look out there at those kids, and I don't know. I mean, seeing them laughing and talking, you know, actually interacting with me, I mean, I felt it's an incredible feeling. I mean, it's exciting.
You know, it's probably what you said. I remember when you and I first talked about it, we did the launch. We talked about everyone's voice matters. And you talked about how important it is to get the young people to talk, to speak, to interact, you know. And I love what you're doing. As we talk about what you're doing, because we don't want to take up the time, because we've got a great show tonight. Listen, I'm going to zip it in a minute, because listen, you all are not ready for what's about to happen tonight. I'm telling you, get all your families around, your kids, your grandkids, even grandmama and granddad. Bring them around the table. You got to watch it tonight. As we talk, before we go into the other segment, is there anyone reading tonight?
Yes, yes. We have a young guy that's, well,
don't call his name.
He's reading. He's awesome. He's
wow.
Awesome.
Also, there's something else that's going to be launched that you've been talking about for quite some time. And we're not even talking about the book yet.
I know.
There's something tonight that's going to launch that you've been working on.
Yeah, it's called the Lil Herbie animated series.
Woo! Okay, all right. Okay.
Chef, I'm telling you, and you know, even though this guy, he don't like to have his name recognized or bring props to him, but let me tell you, my engineer, my engineer, he don't even know I'm about to say all this. You know, he's behind the camera. But let me tell you, that's my nephew. I'm telling you,
he makes us look good.
I'm telling Chef,
especially me. Oh my God,
Chef, I have him on long hours, all day, all night. He like, auntie, really? I mean, but
when he see Chef coming, be like, oh, it's gonna be a long one.
But I have to say this before I even mention the Lil Herbie animated series, and he don't know what I'm saying. He's behind the scenes now, but I'm gonna say it. I want to send a special shout out to my nephew, Orlando Anderson.
Wow.
I'm telling you, he's the best engineer I know out there.
He's phenomenal.
And I love him, love him, love him. He's behind the scenes. I'm going to kiss at him. I love him, love him. And thank
he keeps us straight, you know.
He does.
He's the guy that said, cut, do that over.
He's the one that said, we're not taking all day.
So let me say this. And you know when I use the word phenomenal, that means, it's on. There's something that you're launching tonight. So it is the Lil Herbie series animation. So now we're getting ready to... Oh my God.
And Chef, because see, we wanted to bring, you know, something we talk about, you know, we draw the parents in. But my main goal is to draw the kids in.
Correct.
So, you know, the Lil Herbie animated series is going to have a certain different touch to it.
Okay.
You know, for the kids. So
this is original stuff.
Just original.
Uh-oh.
We don't do nothing but original.
Often imitate, but never duplicate.
That's right.
I got it. Wow, that is phenomenal. You know, I'll say this, and then we're going to go ahead and tap into what's going to happen on this afternoon. What I love is everything that you do is authenticated. It's not about being perfect. It's not about dotting the I's, crossing the T's. It's about inspiring someone to live, to speak.
Because we all, I mean, we're not perfect. We're not perfect. So, I mean, we just want to let them know that, I mean, if you mess up or don't get something right, try again.
Try again.
And just keep doing it until you get it right.
Phenomenal.
It'll happen.
I'm ready, girl.
I'm ready.
I gotta go get me some popcorns. I'm ready for this one.
And you know what? I'm not gonna let y'all say it. I'm not gonna let him say it. I'm gonna tell y'all. Check out the Lil Herbie animated series. We're about to premiere and come back and.
I'm gonna zip it. I want this to happen. I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. Once again, everyone voice matters in the Lil Herbie series. Superstar Shanika Myers.
I am everyone. The voice matters.
Alrighty, we're getting ready for one of the most important parts, and it's reading time.
Reading time.
And so we're not going to say his name. It's going to be a surprise. But we're getting ready to read, right?
Yes.
And then we'll be back. Everyone Voice Matters and the Lil Herbie series. What's your name?
Jayen Weaver.
What school do you attend?
Springfield Elementary.
We're so honored to have you with us today. What is the message you want them to know?
My name is Jayen and I'm Lil Herbie too. I can help. Today I will play grown up. I can help, baby. Oops. I can't help clean. Oh no. Oops. I can't do anything. I can't do anything. I'm useless. Why are grown-ups so smart?
That's it.
They must have made
Many
mistakes too. They just didn't quite, and neither will I. Come here, baby. Let me help you. I am very heartful. Careful.
That's all right.
See, I can help. Boom.
Good job, Jayen. Give it 5.
I am everyone. The voice matters.
Hi, my name is Lil Herbie. Thank you for joining me. Follow along with me and listen to us tell you more about Lil Herbie's animated series.
Hello everyone, my name is Miss Get Right, and I'm bringing to you Everyone Voice Matters and the Lil Herbie animated series. We are very excited about everything we have to offer you, but I'm going to let Lil Herbie tell you all about it.
Okay you guys, I have a few things to tell you. On Tuesdays and Thursdays at 6 p.m. we have reading time with Lil Herbie. And on Monday through Friday, we will have Word of the Day with Miss Get Right. Yay! So make sure y'all join in, cause we're gonna have lots of laughter and fun. And remember, everyone voice matters, and I'm Lil Herbie too.